How to fix your BMO Bank card declined. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix your BMO Bank card if it says declined. So let's say we're trying to make a purchase or do a transaction somewhere, your card says declined. In this video, we'll go through some of the most common reasons and how you can fix them. So the most common reason is insufficient funds. Let's say you just have $100 on your account and you're trying to make a purchase of $150. In that case, your card will straight up say declined as you do not have the sufficient funds to make the transaction. Now the second reason may be you're entering the incorrect PIN to your card. So if you enter the wrong PIN, it'll say declined as the bank will think that it is not you who's trying to make the purchase. So make sure you are entering the correct PIN, and if you are not sure what your PIN is, you can also try to reset your PIN. Now the third thing you got to make sure is your account and card limits. Now let's say you just have a daily purchase limit of $3,000 and you've already used up all of your limit. Now even if you try to make a purchase of let's say $10, your card will say declined as you have already exceeded the daily purchase limit. Now there are two ways on how you can fix them. The first one is by applying to increase your daily purchase limit, and the second one is basically waiting for the next day when your limit resets to zero. Another reason may be because your card has expired or is locked. So make sure your card status is active and it is unlocked. And once you've done all of those, your card decline problem should go away. But if your problem is still there, you can basically call this number and ask them why your card is getting declined whatsoever, and they will be able to help you from there. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.